Hola a todos, profesor de payments aquí en Madrid. Hey everybody, payments professor. I'm here in Madrid and I'm going to talk to you about sunsetting applications. Okay, I'm here in Madrid and actually the sun's rising. If I were to come out here at sunset, this place is packed. There's people all over the place. Did some videos from New York last week, or recorded some videos from New York last week at least, and it was just crazy because of the amount of people. Well, same thing happens here in Madrid. So I decided I'd talk about sun setting as I talked about the sun rising. Well, the analogy basically comes down to this. As the sun is rising, we have new products, new services that we're putting in place. And we want to be able to use those new products, those new services, to be able to work with and be able to offer our customers, our account holders, new products and new services. Well, in offering new products and new services, occasionally we have to get rid of old products. That's called sunsetting. In fact, sunsetting is when we get rid of something. Usually it's the software companies that they'll sunset, they'll quit supporting things. We've seen this, or you may be able to at least relate with this when it comes to just computer software systems, like Microsoft systems. Microsoft quit supporting Windows XP a few years ago, and that caused some problems for financial institutions because we had systems that still relied on and ran Windows XP. And when we see a product that is sunsetted, what we got to do is adjust for it. That can mean an upgrade. It can mean a change to policies and procedures. And we got to make sure that we keep up with those. So when you go to sunset an application, you want to make sure that you have everything in place to be able to sunset that application, to make sure that you're doing what you need to be able to get rid of it. And as you're getting rid of it, it should be something that is discussed. It's very similar to as when we bring on software. There's a plan in place. We determine how's it going to affect everybody, who's affected, who are the different departments that need to have a say-so and be part of that plan. Well, the same thing goes with sunsetting. How is it going to affect us? What do we need to do? Who needs to be involved? Will we still be able to perform as needed? Now, what happens a lot of times that I see in sunsetting is that people forget some of the departments that are involved, or people forget to update their policies and procedures, or people forget to test their disaster recovery plan. Yeah, that's something else that gets overlooked when it comes to sunsetting an application. You may find that if you don't test your plan, you relied on that particular application more than you thought. Well, that concludes this video. I'm the Payments Professor, and if you've got any questions, of course, you can put them in the comments below. You can send me a message, or you can email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. Thank you for attending.